So solving systems by any method. So clearly we're not going to graph, right? Let's mix this up. So I'll do A first. I am going to use substitution, only because we don't use it much. So I'm going to rewrite that top equation to be y equals negative x minus 2. And the bottom equation I'm going to leave the same, 5x minus 3y equals 22. Right? Now, wherever I see a y in the second equation right here, I'm going to substitute this in. Right? So the second equation becomes 5x minus 3 times negative x minus 2, because I substituted that in, equals 22. And I solve. So I get 5x, negative 3 times negative x is plus 3x. Negative 3 times negative 2 is plus 6 equals 22. So we get 8x plus 6 equals 22. 8x subtract 6 equals 16. Oops, 16. X equals 2. And then I'm going to substitute into this one. So y equals negative 2 minus 2. Negative 2 minus 2 is negative 4. So we know the solution is 2, negative 4. Right? And I did that by substitution. Okay, let's do B. Let me make some space. B is clearly set up for substitution. I already have an x value, right? So I already know it's 3 something, right? Okay. So I'm going to put a 3 in for x right here. So 7 times 3 minus 2y equals 24. 21 minus 2y equals 24. Subtract 21 from both sides, right? Minus 21 minus 21. And I get negative 2y. Remember that negative comes with the negative with the 2y, right? It's not part of the 21, right? Okay, so negative 2y equals 3. Y equals negative 3 halves, right? So now we know it's 3, negative 3 halves.